Hello and welcome to the next video on the Nerdy Collector channel, and today we are opening OP14. I got two displays at MSRP actually, but we are only going to open this one because the other one I'm going to keep sealed for my personal collection. And yeah, but we also have some pre-release packs. We got the dash pack, and before we get started on this, I'm going to show you what I pulled on the pre-releases. On the first pre-release, I just put these two, the Perona SR, and I'm going to only show you SR and above, and the Don. On the second pre-release, I also pulled a Don, Mihawk Don in silver, a Vivi, and I pulled Mihawk Alt Art. And this card looks so amazing, so let's hope we get some other big hits today. But first we'll open these ones. I mean, these here I'm not gonna open because it's just a card. So we have two dash packs. We have one from the first release event and three from the other release event. On the first one, I just shortly, closely, I missed top cut, but on the other one I got top cut. A friend of mine even won. So we'll start with these packs. And we got Bluegrass and Kumasi. Not the best one. Bluegrass was sometimes an insane pain in the ass to play against in the pre-release. And next we got Hachan. Okay, that's great. And Fisher Tiger. Fisher Tiger is a great one. We got and the next one we got Oz. That's the one I wanted from these here. And issue, very great. But from all the ones, I wanted Oz on the release with the release event stamp. That's insane. And we got Miss Doublefinger. And we got a Beppo. Okay. I think I got the one I wanted, so that's great. Let's open the first dash pack. And we got the Tashigi. Okay. Let's go. And for the second pack, we got the Eladine. That's two great hits. So we will sleeve those two, put them over there for now, because so far these are the greatest hits we got. So now it is time to open the box. We got we are gonna open it like the last time. We're gonna put those over here and then pick one after another. But this time, hopefully, I'm better at actually ripping them open. Onto the first pack. Maybe we get first pack magic. We got Giola Sachin Penguin, Shiryu, Mr. Merry Christmas, Charlotte Pudding, Don't Worry I'm Here, Mr. 9, a Jinbei Leader, okay, Pentachromatic String, that's such an OP event to be honest, Trebol, we got the Useless Captain Kit, and we got the For Fun event. There's a lot of events in this pack, I feel like. Yeah. In the next pack, we have a new gate. This one is very OP. I think, for me personally, this Ryuma is also very, very strong. We got the Grandma. We got Strive to Surpass Me. Another Mr. 9. Scaled Neptunian. This one, I think, in my personal opinion, is also kind of broken. We got Rindo. We got the Koala. The Linger. We got the Coffin Boat stage. This one is insane as well. We got Monet. I never saw that in the pre-release, I think. And we got the SR Law. Let's go. This one is very nice. I think this one has very, very cool mechanic as well. And even like lawfully mechanic. I mean, lore, not law. Yeah, such a great card. So for the next one, we got the next pack. Buffalo, Kinemon, Hanyabal, Mushroom, I don't know how that's pronounced in English. We got Terracotta, Stealth Black Event, Groggy Monsters, we got Kurobi, we got another Mihawk event, we got the Gecko Moria leader, we got Adeline, which we got from the Dash pack, and we got a Shanks. So far, so good. Shanks also a very great card. Open the next one. And we got Zala, Isho, we got Salome, Gladius, Sanji event, Igaram, we got Kamazo, also a very nice card in my opinion, Brickbat, we got another Fisher Tiger, we got the Bartolomeo, this one is also very interesting. We got Miss Valentine, we got Perona, and that's it for this pack. We only got the Perona and the Miss Valentine. So we're hoping to get alt arts. I mean, of course, we're always hoping to get a manga, but from a single case, that's somewhat tough. Oh, we got a Don, so maybe, can it be a gold Don at the end? I'm not sure, but we got the Kumasi, we got Oinchuk, we got Diamante, Johnny, Apu, at the Shambles event, we got Mr. 4, we got Odin, we got another Jinbei event, we got Mr. 1, we got Isho, and we got the Egghead Don. I'm gonna sleeve that one. And I think this one just looks really, really great because it's so detailed, you know? There's like so much going on, so much to look for. So, yeah. Then the next pack. Okay. This one opened very badly. Next one is Hachan. We got the Jewelry Bonnie. We got Shaka and Pell. We got the Yosaku. We got the Marco Gang. The Bullet String. We got Sukiyaki. We got Margaret. Mr. Five. We got Human Drill. We got X Drake. That's nice. I've never seen this before. And we got the Ocean Current Shoulder Throw. Another event. As I said, lots of events in this pack. So, on to the next pack. We got Giola. We got Killer. This is a very interesting card, I think, because I'm not sure why you would need this that much on the Supernova types decks. Watatsumi. We got Bluegrass. We got Salamander. We got Sindri. We got Porsche. We got Boa Hancock Leader. We got Miss Golden Week. We got Usopp, Kikonojo, and the SR Rosinante and Law. All right. We already got 2 SRs, one from EB04, one from OP14. So let's keep them going, I think. And let's open the next pack. We got a Kinemon, we got another Diamante, a Grandma Neon, a Miss Doublefinger again. We got another Sanji event. We got a Kamazo, another Scaled Neptunian, another Fisher Tiger. We got a Basil Hawkins. We got Margaret. We got a Zoro. I'm actually playing this one, but I also traded the full set, so this can go straight to my collection. And we got a Sylvis Rayleigh. Those look very cool together. And let's switch things up and take the left pack. So the next pack is another Miss Merry Christmas Hanyabal, another Johnny, Giola, Terracotta, another Mr. 4, another Stealth Black, Miss Golden Week, another Gecko Moria, a Break Bat, a Miss Valentine, and a Virgo. I don't have this card, and I have never seen it in the pre-release, so I am very happy about this one. On to the next pack. We got the Spider Mice, we got Senior Pink, we got Oz, we got BG, I'm not sure, but it's Capone. We got the Bird Neptunian, we got Beppo, we got Crescent Cutlass, we got a Cavendish, we got a Run, we have a Trafalgar Law Leader, we have Monet, and we got an SR Mr. 2. I'm gonna sleeve this. Let's go. I mean, Mr. 2 is not the preferred choice, but at least we got something, I would say. Okay, on to the next pack. one open, okay. Okay, we got a Kuo, we got Vista, we got Lao G, we got Sachi and Penguin, another Sindri, the Marco Gang, another Groggy Monsters, Mr. Wednesday. We got the Hurry Up and Make Me the Pirate King. We got Pika. We got a Boa Hancock. And we got a Luffy. Yay! This one I was wanting. So this one is getting a sleeve because this is a personal hit for me. I mean, it's just a rare, but it still is a Luffy card, and I'm all there for Luffy cards. So yeah. Even though it doesn't look the greatest. The next pack has Salom, Shaka and Pell, another Capone, another Shiryu, a Yosaku, a Magvice, another Chambers, another Dillinger, Odin, another Jinbei event, a Eustace Captain Kid, and the You'll Fright Me event. I think this event is very, very strong. Because it can like change the whole, it's not just a counter, like a plus a K counter, and the trigger as well is very insane, so I think that's insane. Okay, we got 3 SRs so far, so it's looking good, it's looking good. This one opened great, so Kumsi, Edward Newgate, another killer, Gladius, Mistoms, Sukiyaki, Salamander, Bartolomeo, a Don Quixote leader. I'm nearly all done with all the leaders now. Shukiyaku, Shirahoshi, this is such a pain in the ass card. And Megalo, way, it's kind of sad. Those two are insanely strong in my opinion. Yeah, very nice. So, let's see what the next pack has in store for us. It's opening like ass. And we got the Hachan. We got Senior Pink. We got Kuro. We got Bullet Strings. I got the Bird Neptunian. Scratchman Apu. Don't worry, I'm here. We got Koala. We got another Coffin Boat. We got another Cavendish. And we got the Kaido. Okay. And the SR Nami. I hate this card so much. Because this is the card that lost me the first pre-release top cut. It was last turn for me. I mean, I just need one more turn to win. I had 3 blockers on board. Guy top decked this from his life because I attacked him, and just rested my blockers and just destroyed me. So wow. So now I have this card. I feel sad, but this card always will have insane memory in my brain. Just the look or how I felt when he played this card and like, yeah, I can dress 2 of your characters. I was like, what? Oh, you can what? The next pack, we got Spider Mice. We got Vista, Buffalo, Beppo. We got another Rindo, the Shark Brick Fist. We got Pudding. We got Orouge. We got another Kurbi. We got another Usopp. And we got Ice Time EB04 event. And we got a Gecko Moria SR. Let's go. This one looks very nice. So we got 3, 4, we got 9 packs left. Let's fucking get it. We got another Vista, Killer, another Buffalo. I think this card is insane, to be honest. We got a Shark Breakfast, we got a Porsche, we got a Rindo, we got a Bullet String, another Dillinger, another Cavendish. We got another Shanks and... whoa, Shanks and Kaido. Damn. And both great cards as well. So, on to the last 8 packs. Okay, we got Don at the end. We got Johnny, Ryuma, Gladius, Shaka and Pell. We got Mistoms, Mist 4, Stealth Black, Fisher Tiger, the Gorgon Sisters. We got Eleclaw. We got Mr. Bone, Mr. Dan, whatever, Mr. 1. And we got another Mihawk Dawn. So I got 3 of them now. Let's see what the next pack has in store for us. Chuck. Chuck, I mean. Watatsumi, another Jewelry Bonnie, another Oz, Igraram, I butchered that one, another Mihawk event, Porsche, Bluegrass, Tribble, Miss Wednesday. We got a Eustace Captain Kid and the Perona Alt Art. All right. This one looks really cool. It's like really playful. That's the first art I pulled. And I'm not sure, I'm not good at the thinking which ones can be hit and cannot be hit. Like, I mean, how much hits there are in one pack. So let's just hope we get some last 6-pack magic. Lao G, Ryuma, Isho, another Crescent Cutlass, a Mr. 9, Sindri, Shambles, another Boa Hancock Leader, a Brickbat, a Pika, another Aladdin, and a Jinbei. This card, I really like this one at the pre-release. It looks so nice. So that's another good hit, in my opinion. And then last 5 packs. Let's see what we can get from them. Okay, Oz, Shiryu, the Spider Mice, another Bluegrass, another Bird Neptunian, another Sanji event, Charlotte Pudding. Oh, we got the Mihawk Leader. We got Miss Golden Week. We got Basil Hawkins. We got the Sugar, that's the first today. And we get a Flame Dragon Torch event. Okay, I think I've now nearly got all the leaders right. I'm not that sure if I'm missing one. So, last 4 boosters. We'll open the next one. This opened great. Let's go. Penguin, another Hanyaval, Oink Chuck, Sloam, the Neptunian, the Marco Gang, the Terracotta, the Chew, the Shakuyaku, the Pandachromatic String, another OP event. We got an Absalom, and we got an SR Foxy. No. Foxy is such an ass fucking character. Man, I really hate him. I really, really hate Foxy. That's like the worst arc there is in One Piece. Okay, last 3 packs. Let's get some more magic and let's pull an SEC. A secret rare or something. And let's go. We got the Neon. We got Isho. We got another Jewelry Bonnie. We got Lao G. Sukiyaki. Another Crescent Cutlass. The Groggy Monsters. Sindri. Usopp. A Disappointed Event. That's the first today. Another Isho. And oh my god! Oh my god! Damn, this card looks crazy! I mean, it's a Sengoku. I think there can be like versions of Boy Hancock and Mihawk, I think. But damn, this card looks insane. Wow. I have no idea how much it's worth or anything. I'm just gonna like edit it in, but wow. This card, damn. Damn, that's insane. Wow. Okay, last 3 pack magic worked. Let's see if we can still pull something from the last 2. But damn. This card is insane. Wow. Wow, that's like, damn. I guess I picked the right display to open and the right to keep sealed. I mean, maybe there would have been a mugger in the other one. What the fuck? How is this already this broken? Well, we got the Kinemon. We got the new gate. We got Double Finger. We got Senior Pink. Don't worry, I'm here. We got Chiyosaku. Igaram. Travel. The Margaret. We got the Law event. We got a Dr. Hawk back. This one is the first one as well. And we got another Perona SR. That's nice. And now on to the last pack. Last pack magic. Last pack magic. Miss Merry Christmas, Kumasi, Wadatsumi, Capone, Salamander, Mr. 9, Apu, Kurobi, Mr. 5, Hurry Up and Make Me Pirate King, a Ground Death event, and a Monet. I mean, okay. I didn't expect that much from the last pack until after we pulled this one. Like, damn. This looks so insane. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let's quickly go through the things we pulled. I think this was a great case, right? We got 2 Dawns. The hits from this display were 2 Dawns, Nami SR, Mr. 2 SR, Rosinante and Law SR, Perona SR, the Foxy SR, the Law SR, the Gecko Maria SR, a Perona Rare Alt Art, and the Sengoku Special Rare. I think it's Special Rare. Damn. So that's insane. And of course, we got from the dash packs these 2. Damn. That's an insane display, to be honest. It's, I think, the second one I ever opened. The first one was the PRB02 you saw already. So, damn, I think I'm just very, very lucky. That's crazy. Damn. So, I hope you enjoyed this one. And stay tuned for more display content or opening content, more Pokemon and everything else. Subscribe to the channel and see you.